Conic.
Still we
And
need.
normally, but this must be always conic. Also in the instruction, this to place this conic. I think because when they are conic, it must be conic. Why? Because in this way, when you are rotating the conic, all the material want to move back. But on the back there is the stopper, and this way this stay always.
Between these two.
Oh. You see that now this is stay
Going back,
correct,
yeah.
and now because there is a little bit more friction now, because before was open, now is a little bit more friction. This move the material to the side. So we must open this. You want to see now?
Can you see one thing here, right here? This inner pin compared to this one, this is slightly more tilted. This is lesser tilted compared to this one.
This means that in the program 15 millimeter,
Okay.
my feed, initial feed is 14.
Okay.
It means that from the home position, this move 14 millimeter.
Yeah.
Okay.
After that, we have 1 millimeter feed,
Yes.
and after we have a 15.
Oh, design. Okay.
Mean 15 is 7.5,
And 7.5.
7.5.
Yes.
But if I want the bar tack 10 millimeter, it means that this is 5, this is 5.
So we
5
need-
to 7.5 is 2.5 millimeter difference.
So we,
In this way is 1 plus 2.5, means that this
3.5
become 3.5.
and
And
also-
after I add 10.
and 10. And here is
From here to here is 14.
14.
14.
16, 17 and a half.
17 and a half. Because in this way, I need, because it's a special program,
Okay.
it's not completely, and this is 10.
This is 10.
Because compare the 15 that is 7.5, 7.5. And now let's go to make a program. Try.
Okay, so we use 2.5 mm from that side,
Yeah.
but not from that side.
No, this is to calculate
Yeah.
the exactly starting point.
Yeah, I understand.
Oh,
It must be equal to 30.
no, this was a program normal.
मेरा ये 27 आएगा.
क्योंकि वो ढाई छोड़ दिया ना एंड वाला.
हाँ जी वो
Program
27.5.
we have, yes. Now we have here is our plus new sewing program. Okay. The machine is now here in the middle.
Yeah.
We have here 35 millimeter sewing area.
Okay.
Oh, now first I need to move here 14 millimeter
Jump stitch.
to calculate the loading point.
Okay.
To you look always the second line, no,
Yeah.
don't check
Not
the
up,
first
upside.
line.
Okay, excellent.
And here press enter.
Enter.
Okay.
This is our loading point where the presser foot are set to lock the material.
Okay.
After, from this point to the start of the sewing, we have one normally. But in this case, because this seam is, we have 3.5.
3.5.
Alright,
So
now,
we add 3.5 more.
now feed,
Yeah, feeds
we add 3.5.
3, 2, 4, 5. Okay.
3.5
Okay.
because in this way, this is our enter. This is our where start the sewing.
Yeah, now we are reach on the start saving point.
Exactly, this sewing
Yeah.
point. Now this is a programmation.
Yes.
sewing line, always change to stitch here.
Yeah,
Okay.
stitch.
Stitch,
Yeah.
otherwise make
Stitch
And
length.
stitch length.
Stitch length 2.5
Okay.
is bar.
It's depend on.
Same,
Yeah.
same normally. And now this was oh, let's go
10 mm.
10 mm.
It's 9, 10. It's okay.
Okay.
10 millimeter. Enter one time
Okay.
only.
Go back on
10
the start point.
exactly. Because the bar is 3 times.
But 3 times.
1, 2,
Okay.
and
One more time.
one more time.
So we are going minus 0.10.
Yeah.
You start 1, 2.
2. So we
And
come
3.
back on 10 minus
And-
10.
Yes, exactly. Compare before, you go minus 10.
Yeah.
You move every time
Okay.
1, 2, 3 times same value.
Okay.
And now double enter.
Okay.
Double enter in this way here. You see, here the machine,
Stitch.
they are the stitch.
Yeah.
After I need to change from running to zigzag.
Zigzag. Okay.
Yeah.
This is the pitch. Normally is 1.2.
Okay.
Normally.
And these two, the sum of these two is the total width. As if
Yes.
I want 2.8 millimeter width is 1.4, 1.4.
Okay. So it will be 2.8.
Exactly. Because compare the instruction, the line here, the line here,
1.4
yes,
upside.
1.4 in this side, 1.4 in
Up
this
and
side.
down. Okay.
So it will be 2.8.
And the total here, because if I put only 2.8 here and 0 down, the machine make the zigzag only in top.
Upside. Okay.
Or if I use this only, I make in the bottom. But this
Okay.
must be in the
Equal.
bar.
Equal.
Equal. Okay, and now I move 10 millimeter.
Back.
Come on a start point.
10,
Okay.
Okay.
double enter, and the machine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, now there is a bug in the software. You see that the machine think to be here, but the stitch is here.
Yes.
We must finish with a straight line.
Okay.
And this way, now physically the machine is here with the coordinate, but the stitch is only here because missing this. In this way, running, we move 1.4 millimeter up. In this way, I give this coordinate, and 1.4 down. The machine connect this point with this
Automatically.
automatically, and after make the half stitch. Because otherwise the data was finished here.
Because we are here.
Yes, now straight line, but you look at where is the cursor. The
This is
cursor is at the end.
Yeah.
But because the zigzag finish, they don't make a,
Finish at the downside.
like here, you see here, the zigzag start, that from here make one stitch,
Yeah,
and
but
after,
the
is missing the last stitch.
Okay.
In this way, you make a running,
Okay.
you move 1.4, because from here to here
Yeah.
is
We
1.4,
have okay.
enter, enter, and 1.4 down.
Come on middle point.
Middle point, exactly.
Okay.
Double enter. The machine automatically, from the last stitch, you put 1.4 in the top, connect the last stitch to this data, and after
yeah.
to this.
Okay.
And this way is close the bar tack like it must be.
Okay.
Same,
Before we did made the same
same,
one.
all the same. Example, this we call is 15, let's go to say 105, 10 millimeter. And here we can write 15 loop
10
10 see.
0. Okay. 0. Okay. Okay. Now it will be on the
And
middle of
theoretically this must be without touch this must be set exactly in the middle.
yeah.
because we follow the same rules and internal head of the nut
Okay.
with the same line of this, more or less.
Same
Yeah, the same. See?
Yeah, same.
This was more or less, remember that was the adjustment here,
Okay.
and here with this was correct balance
Balance. Okay.
to get the very nice.
इसकी अलाइनमेंट में भी इधर छोड़ दो इसी जब आपकी ये लाइन
वो कर दिया ना उसको वो देखिए वो स्लाइडें लगी हैं
Because when, the moment that you pull, okay, you can here if you want you can hold a little bit more close, little bit. But the important point is the friction. Yeah.
at the end.
At the end. Because when you are going to pull, automatically going to pull, this can be like this, but at the end
स्ट्रेट
becomes straight.
और इसमें हमने जितनी लोडिंग होना चाहिए इसके आप फीडिंग का
This is something I want to see.
फॉर एग्जांपल ये 14 था और ये अब अगर बाकी बच गया ना 15
We leave 1 millimeter more outside,
शुरू
okay,
करना है अगर आपने
to see if this can hold better the material.
पूरा बार टैग लगाना है आप जहाँ से शुरू करना है जहाँ पे ख़त्म करना है वो आपने इस तरीके से मैनेज करना है कि उससे पीछे वो गैप देना है
And that's the
आपने वो लगाना है बार टैग
we must tight. 50 millimeter, no? I want.
How much?
So it's 15
This 14. This 14. And this 10.
this is the same
But there is a bar, 14 millimeter,
Okay.
and the same time the zigzag 14.
You need run stitch or first run, then partake, then run.
You must do the 3 bar,
Okay.
14. After
Okay.
you move
2 mm back.
Run stitch and add the partake and stop. The repeat run stitch,
stitch.
and finish.
Try. And here you have the central zigzag. You make 2 stitches here,
Yes.
and after
partake
here the bartak.
10
Okay.
mm. And
And
again.
after
2 stitches.
stitches.
Yeah.
Okay.